How can you rebuild strong, stable balance after 60 without going to the gym, hiring a trainer, or even leaving your house? The answer lies in simple balance exercises for seniors you can do at home. No weights, no machines, no special equipment. In this video, I will guide you through 5 gentle but highly effective exercises that help prevent falls seniors and retrain your legs to move with better control. The final exercise is currently being tested at Mayo Clinic as a new technique to improve mobility after 60. Don't skip it. This method is not commonly found elsewhere. Exercise 1. Wall touch balance. Have you ever stood up and felt a slight wobble as if you were losing control? Or perhaps turning quickly caused you to lose your balance? Don't worry, there's a simple yet effective way to improve this without leaving your home. Place a chair beside you for safety if needed. Stand facing a wall, about an arm's length away, with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly reach your right hand forward to lightly touch the wall, then return to the starting position. Switch to your left hand and repeat. Perform 10 repetitions on each side. If you require additional support, you can modify it into a chair support exercise as seniors by placing a chair next to you and lightly resting your hand on the back of the chair during the exercise. Imagine yourself standing like a sturdy tree. Each gentle touch to the wall isn't just a simple movement. It's a way to teach your legs to control every small motion, from your ankles to your shoulders. This exercise not only trains stability, but also helps with ankle strengthening for balance if you gently rise onto your toes while touching the wall. According to Harvard Health, exercises that improve spatial orientation combined with gentle movements can reduce the risk of falls by up to 31% in individuals over 60 years old. By practicing regularly, you'll begin to feel the leg stability over 60 within a few weeks. If you find this exercise too easy, the next one will challenge your focus and actively help prevent falls seniors in a highly engaging way. Exercise 2. Step and amp. Stair challenge. Think standing still is easy? Try this exercise and you'll realize that maintaining a seemingly simple posture requires engaging more muscle groups than you might expect. Begin by standing near a wall or chair for safety. Step 1 foot forward as if you're standing on a narrow line. Keep your arms relaxed at your sides. Now, focus your gaze on a point on the wall in front of you. The goal is to maintain this position for 30 seconds without swaying or stepping back. This isn't just another balance exercises for seniors. It's an excellent way to activate the coordination between your eyes, brain, and ankles. When you stand still and fix your gaze, the signals transmitted through your nervous system help your body process movements more accurately. If you feel a bit unsteady, don't hesitate to lightly touch the chair, modifying it into a chair support exercise as seniors. The slight tremble in your ankles indicates that you're activating the areas that need improvement, a crucial step toward ankle strengthening for balance. Recall the last time you nearly lost your balance. Share that moment so we can learn together how to overcome those often unspoken but common experiences. Once you've mastered standing still, prepare yourself. The next exercise will require you to maintain balance in a constantly changing situation, offering an exciting challenge to your leg stability over 60. Exercise 3 toe tap and amp. Sweep. Imagine standing in front of your kitchen sink, one hand resting on the counter for balance. Instead of just standing, start by gently tapping your left toes on the floor in front of you, then sweep them lightly to the left side and return to the starting position. Perform this 10 times, then switch legs. This simple exercise helps train reflexes and enhances leg stability over 60 in a very practical way. This exercise doesn't require a large space or special preparation. It's suitable for daily activities. More importantly, it mimics the very movements you often make in real life, stepping over obstacles, turning to grab something, or maintaining balance on slippery floors. Nurse next door. A 72-year-old woman from Texas shared that after 3 weeks of performing this exercise each morning while making coffee, she felt her legs became lighter, and she no longer wobbled when moving around the house. For her, This was the most effective balance exercises for seniors she'd ever tried because it seamlessly integrated into her daily life. If you feel slightly off balance during the exercise, modify it into a chair support exercises seniors by lightly resting your hand on a table, chair back, or the edge of the sink. You'll also notice your ankles becoming more engaged and flexible, which is excellent for ankle strengthening for balance and helps prevent falls seniors. Have you tried similar exercises before? Share your experience in the comments. Which part did you find most challenging in this exercise? If you notice your body responding positively, explore more advanced exercises in our Leg Strength and AMP Mobility for Seniors playlist below, because strong legs aren't just a goal, they're a daily journey. Now, if you're ready to try an exercise that helps improve mobility after 60 while maintaining the grace of each step, the next one will surely surprise you. Exercise 4. Slide, step, and AMP. Hold. You might feel confident stepping forward, but what about stepping sideways? Many people overlook this movement, yet in reality, side steps are among the most common situations where seniors fall, like avoiding an obstacle, turning around, or moving sideways in tight spaces. This exercise will help you practice moving sideways with stability and control. Stand upright with your feet shoulder width apart. Step one foot to the right. Hold that position for 3 seconds, then return to the center. Then switch sides. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions on each side. This is a balance exercises for seniors that's easy to implement right at home. If you need support, you can use a chair to modify it into a chair support exercises seniors. Despite its simplicity, this movement helps increase control when changing directions and enhances ankle strengthening for balance, which is crucial for maintaining leg stability over 60. Have you ever made mistakes during this exercise? Or noticed any difficulties while practicing? Share in the comments so everyone can learn and adjust accordingly. With this exercise, you're gradually enhancing your ability to improve mobility after 60 and effectively prevent falls seniors in real-life situations. And if the previous exercises helped you stabilize each step, the next one will challenge you with a new technique that's currently being tested in the US. This isn't just an exercise, it's a completely different approach to improve mobility after 60. You might be surprised at how simple yet effective it is. Exercise 5. Cross tap reaction. Now it's time to try a technique being adopted by many rehabilitation specialists in the US as part of training programs to enhance reflexes in individuals over 60. What makes this exercise special isn't its difficulty, but how it forces you to coordinate your eyes, hands, feet, and brain all within a few seconds. Stand upright with your feet shoulder width apart. Place a pillow or a light object like a towel in front of you, about 1 step away. Rest your hands on your hips or let them hang naturally. An instructor, or if practicing alone, use a timer or sound cues, will prompt you to tap your right foot on the object in front, then your left foot, followed by cross taps, right foot to the left side and vice versa. If you're not yet comfortable, you can start with a gentler version by modifying it into a chair support exercises seniors. Lightly rest one hand on the back of a chair while performing each movement to ensure safety. This exercise is particularly effective in improved mobility after 60, prevent falls seniors, and enhance leg stability over 60, as it simulates the very situations where seniors are most likely to lose balance. The best part is you don't need to practice for long. Just 3 minutes a day, and you'll notice stronger ankles, quicker reflexes, and a renewed confidence in each step. How did your reflexes respond during this exercise? Were there any steps that caused you to miss a beat or required you to pause longer? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to know how this exercise challenged you and how you overcame it. These 5 exercises in this video require no equipment, no trainer, and can be performed right at home. Regardless of your age after 60, practicing balance daily will help you walk more steadily, feel more confident, and avoid unnecessary risks. Just a few minutes each day, and your legs will become stronger, your reflexes faster, and your body more agile in every daily movement. Have you tried any of these exercises? Or did you encounter difficulties at any step? Leave a comment below so I and others can support you. Your experience might also help someone else starting a similar journey. And don't forget, the Leg Strength and AMP Mobility for Seniors playlist is waiting for you right below the description. It contains many more useful exercises to help you maintain flexibility, stability, and confidence every day.